Namaskar. My name is Altaf Pathan. I belong to the Maharashtra state of India. Education provides the essence to life. Knowledge imparts fragrance to your life. There is no doubt that we are all educated, but do we have that fragrance in our life? I ask again, can we experience the fragrance? My life blossomed after the Academy of Private Investor came into it. We cannot lay our hands on that kind of education provided by the Academy of Private Investor. We will not get this education in any formal school or college. They have a lot of study materials and chapters like the 8 Rules of the Private Investor, and many such study materials teach us how we are individual brands in ourselves. It teaches us to create our own brand and identity. We can use their education and start growing our portfolios. We can accomplish our dreams, however big or small. Today, I have become a brand for my own house. Maybe I'm not a brand yet for my country or my village, but I am a brand for my family and kids. I'm experiencing the same fragrance in my life, which is experienced by all rich and famous. So in the end, I would like to say a big thanks to the education given by the Academy of Private Investor.